Over the years, we've stayed at quite a few hotels, but this one genuinely stands out as the best hotel experience we've ever had. During our trip to Bandung, we stayed at Holiday Inn Bandung Pasteur. And from the moment we arrived until the day we checked out, everything exceeded our expectations. In this video, we'll show you exactly what made this stay so memorable. From the room and facilities to the service, the food, and all the little details that made a real difference. If you're planning a trip to Bandung and wondering whether this hotel is worth booking, this video will help you decide. Our first impression was excellent. As soon as we arrived, we were warmly welcomed by the staff, who were incredibly friendly and professional. The check-in process was quick, efficient, and took just a few minutes. Walking into the hotel, the first thing we noticed was how grand and elegant everything looked. From the spacious lobby to the overall ambience, it definitely gave the feel of a premium hotel. What's even more impressive is that we booked our stay for around $50 per night, which made it exceptional value for money. There are 2 swimming pools, including one that's perfect for families with children. Now, let's take a look at the room. We booked the Queen room, and just a quick disclaimer, I'm filming this while we're checking out, so the room is a little messy. That said, you can still get a good idea of the layout. The room felt surprisingly spacious, with plenty of room to move around and enough space for our luggage without feeling cramped. The queen bed was very comfortable, and one feature I really appreciated was the huge smart TV. The bathroom was also clean, modern, and well stocked with all the essential amenities you would expect. The only thing I would say is that the room didn't really offer much of a view. But honestly, considering everything else, the comfort, the facilities, the service, and the price, that wasn't something that bothered us at all. One of the highlights of our stay was definitely the breakfast. It was served buffet style, with a wide selection of dishes ranging from local Indonesian favorites to international options. Whether you prefer a light breakfast or a full meal to start your day, there was something for everyone. The food was consistently fresh and delicious, and the staff were attentive and quick to clear tables and assist guests, making the whole dining experience very pleasant. The only small downside was that we stayed for 3 nights, and the breakfast menu remained more or less the same each morning. The staff here were exceptionally well trained, but more importantly, they genuinely cared about the guest experience. Throughout our stay, different staff members would regularly ask how everything was going and whether there was anything they could do to make our stay even better. What impressed me the most was that they weren't asking these questions just out of routine, they actually took the time to listen. Every conversation felt genuine, and you could tell they were focused on building a relationship with the guests rather than simply completing a service checklist. That level of hospitality is something you don't come across very often, and it played a big part in making this our best hotel experience. If you're someone who likes to stay active while traveling, you'll appreciate the fitness center here. The gym has a good selection of equipment, and what I really liked is that it also includes a whirlpool and a steam bath.